What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja helping you make money online. Today's video is going to be a very short and direct one, and in this one it is an HR position. It is currently 10:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at this point in time this lead was posted 2 hours ago. It is full-time and insanely international, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have stable internet connection and a device from which to work. Now, I said I'm going to keep this short, so let's jump into it with a reminder that you should subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment on anything you'd like to know, okay? And share this video with anyone who might be interested in some of these videos, all right? And in the description, there's a link that teaches you how to make money passively by starting your own online business right from the comfort of home, or the beach, or the office, or the coffee shop, wherever you are in the world. Even on a plane, you can start this business. Okay, so follow along as you've subscribed and as the videos come out. Now, this is a recruiter position, so it's HR based, and it's a company called Chili Piper. Okay, if you've never heard of them, maybe you've seen a Facebook ad from them. They're all over the place doing business to business software as a service sales. Okay, so Chili Piper is a B2B, which is business to business SaaS, software as a service startup. Our product helps clients turn inbound leads into qualified meetings instantly, helping revenue teams connect to buyers faster. We're proud to have customers like RingCentral, Air BNB, Square, Intuit, Spotify, Twilio, and many other cool logos. We're growing fast, and we don't mean that in the cliche way. We are sitting on a fresh round of funding and are ready to take over the world in the most civil and appropriate way possible, of course. Now, about the role. Chili Piper is looking for a recruiter to partner directly with our world-class leadership team and make critical hires across our sales, marketing, customer success, product, and engineering teams. You will be empowered to build partnerships with candidates and organizations alike in an effort to drive engagement for Chili Piper's growing employer brand. In this role, you'll be an early addition to Chili Piper's growing talent team. So, you will have a unique opportunity to build process internally while doing what you do best, hiring the best talent in the world. So, here's a breakdown of the things you'll be doing. Other than being a champion of diversity, you'll also be championing equity and inclusion. So you're going to be looking at talent in an unbiased way. Okay, you want diversity because each race, each culture, each whatever brings a different perspective that you can use to get clients. Clients come from all walks of life, so your team has to be able to adapt to these different walks of life. Sourcing top performing talent for our sales, marketing, customer success, product, and engineering teams. Managing candidate relationships throughout the entire interview process and beyond. Partnering with hiring managers and empowering them to make effective hiring decisions. Negotiating compelling offer packages for top talent. Maintaining a high degree of organization, interview process speed, and candidate satisfaction. Building processes alongside the growing Chili talent team, screening applicants via assessments and Zoom calls, scheduling interviews on behalf of hiring managers, following up on noteworthy, informal, and networking referrals. So what they're looking for in you, 2+ years experience in full cycle talent acquisition, which means sourcing to closing. That's the full cycle. The minute the lead was gotten to acquiring the lead, meaning the customer pays. Okay, so 2 years experience in full cycle talent acquisition and a strong understanding of best practices in the software as a service space. Experience successfully recruiting technical and non-technical roles. Motivated, solutions-driven, and relationship-oriented person with proven success at a fast-paced startup environment. Strong working knowledge of Greenhouse, LinkedIn Recruiter, HackerRank, or equivalent tools. Organizational super skills and a proven track record of delivering excellent candidate experience. Now, additional skills that would aid you in acquiring this job and staying there and would put you head and shoulders above everyone else, other than subscribing to this channel, would be passion for Chili Piper's value of help, innovate, have fun. Thrive in a fast-paced environment with ability to prioritize and multitask on the fly. Resourcefulness, creativity, and strategic thinking for troubleshooting problems. Self-motivated and self-directed. Ability to work in a dynamic environment in which the requirements, are not always well defined and priorities change frequently. Strong attention to detail and documentation. Now, some additional information and some benefits of you working with them and how they operate. You get freedom and flexibility because you're working remotely. They're 100% distributed team working from around the world. Our team members can work from wherever they want in the world as long as they show up on our weekly all hands meeting on Zoom. Solve interesting problems. The software landscape has exploded. There are dozens of solutions for each problem. We want to be different. We come up with new angles on existing problems or invent better solutions to help companies with their sales and marketing. Then we turn these ideas into beautiful, smart software. Autonomy and ownership. Working on a distributed team means you don't have someone micromanaging you or looking over your shoulder to make sure you're getting things done. We're a team of doers who take full ownership for their results. Be helpful. Our first value as a company is help. Help our customers be successful. Help our prospects get the right information and make the right decision, whether or not it includes our products. Help our team members reach their full potential. Now the perks, unlimited vacation. You work remotely, so you can literally work where you vacation, all right? Company offered 401k plan, generous health, dental, and vision insurance. WeWork membership, so you can work from anywhere. Any equipment or software or tech that you need to do your job. Amazing. So to apply for this gig, to apply for this full-time role, you will simply press this button. The information page will come up and you will just fill in the information, but they will also ask you to upload a copy of your resume and curriculum vitae, or your resume and your cover letter. If you don't know where to start where this is concerned, there is a link. It's the second link in the description below. And this link will take you to a website called Canva. Canva is free. Canva has templates of cover letters, has templates of resumes, and you simply fill in the blanks. What's your name? John Doe. When were you born? October 3rd, 1974. You just type your stuff in. Sex, male or female or whatever. Right? You enter that information because the space is already there. You just type that stuff in. Education, Greenwood High School, 1984 to 1990 or whatever. Okay, you just fill in the space, then you click save or download, and a copy will be saved to your computer. From there you can upload it to your application. It's easy peasy and it's free, like I said. So hurry up, apply before the world tries to take over this opportunity. It is a very, very amazing one where you do, as they say, get equipment, software, and the tech you need. They fund you with that stuff. Unlimited vacation. Can you believe? Generous health, dental, and vision care. Come on, guys. All right, check it out. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the notification bell. Like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.